Hi everyone, welcome back to Python 0 to Hero series. In the last video, we learned what variables are, those magical boxes that store our data. But today, we are taking that a step further. We will talk about how to name your variables like a pro and explore the amazing world of Python data types. Yes, one question might be in your head. Why naming matters? Naming variables might sound boring, but it's actually super important, very important. Imagine your friend labeling their kitchen jars wrong. Sugar in the salt jar, salt in the sugar jar. That's what bad variable naming does in code. Pure confusion. So let's learn how to name things properly before Python decides to throw an error party on your code. So let's start with rules for naming variables. Let me write it down. Then it will be clear. Yes, rules for naming. Ignore the spelling mistakes, please. Variables. Yes. First, see, Python is cool, but it has many rules. Rule number 1 might sound interesting, but sorry. Yes. Rule number 1 says variable names can have letters, numbers, and underscore. Variable names can have letters, comma, numbers, comma, underscore, right? So it's pretty clear that what rule number is saying, that variable names can have letters, numbers, and underscore. So rule number 2 says they must start with a letter or underscore, never with a number. Always start with a letter or underscore. Okay, clear? Never with numbers. Okay, so let me show you the example. See, never start with 1 2 3. Let me take name CS unlocked. Nope, it's totally wrong. You should never start with the number. Instead of this, you should try writing name 1 2 3 CS unlocked. Works, then it will work perfectly. Let me show you. See, if I erase this, then let me run the program. It's showing the error. Error says syntax error, invalid decimal literals. So line number 3, see, it is invalid in Python, starting variable names with a number. So let me write down this and let me clear this. And now let me run. See, no error is there. That means it is working perfectly. Now let's move on. Rule number 3. Rule 3 says no spaces. Use underscores instead of spaces. No spaces. Use underscore instead of spaces. Yes, let me show you. If I write down full name, I should not use space CS unlocked. Yes, it's clear. It should be written like this. No spaces in between. Instead of space, we should always use underscore in writing the variable's name. Okay, so let's move on. Rule number 4. See, don't use Python's reserved words like if, for while class. Never use reserved words to name your variables. Okay? Don't use if, for, while, class. It's clear? See, because Python already uses them and it doesn't like sharing. Yes, Python doesn't like sharing. So it will clear a mess, totally a mess. So never use reserve words like if, for, while, or class name. Yes. See, we are pretty sure about the rules. Let's act like a pro. Use clear names that explains what's inside. Example, marks equal to 95. It is clear. X is equal to 95. See, it will work, but it will create confusion in your code. So never write down like this. Never use X, Y, or Z in naming your variables. You should mention clearly what's inside in the variables. Yes, like if we take student/name, it is saying that Rajat, for example, it is saying that Rajat is student name. So clean and readable. Remember, your code should explain itself, because one day you will open your old project and go there and you will see, wait, what was X, Y, Z supposed to be? You will be in total confusion. So always remember, your code should explain itself and it should be pretty clear and readable. It should be clean and readable. Yes. Okay, now that we can name our boxes like legends, let's talk about what we can actually put inside them. Think of variables like boxes. Some hold numbers, some text, some true or false value. See, these are called data types in Python. Some holds numbers, some text, some true, false answer. Yes. Let's talk about basic data type. Okay. Data types. First one is integer. Integer. We will write it like int. It stores whole number. It gives whole number. Yes, remember that. So we will write it down like this. Age is equal to 21. Next one is float. Yes, it will be written like float only, and it gives decimal value, decimal number. So next one is string, a common data type. String will be written like str, and it gives text in quotes. Yes. Example. Oh, I missed the example of float. Float example is price. Let me take 99.999. Yes. And let me take a string example. Let's name CS unlocked. So I guess it is clear for you all guys. And one more important data type, that is boolean. Boolean will be written like bool. Yes. It gives, remember, boolean gives true and false value. Clear? Let me show you the example. Is coder true? Yes, it is true that I am a coder. See, Python is super smart. It figures out the data type by itself. You don't have to tell it like we tell in Java or C. It it is smart enough to figure out the data type by itself. Just we have to write down the variable names. So you should be clear with the variable names. It should be written in clean and readable format. Okay, so I guess you guys got it. What is data type? So what we have learned today, let's recap. How to name your variables like a pro. All basic Python data types are clear. Basic like integer, float, string, boolean. Yes, it's clear. If you have made it this far, then it's cool. Your brain officially leveled up. In the next video, we will learn how to check or convert them easily. Yes, then we will later on dive into typecasting and Python operators, how to calculate, compare, and combine data like a real coder. Lots of pending videos are there. Yes. Till then, keep practicing, stay focused, and remember, every coder once printed hello world. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. And we will meet you in the next video. Bye. Thank you.